Today we're going to go over how to draw a flying saucer, UFO. That's kind of, Halloween-esque, right? Halloween movies. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using this marker. It's going to be for beginners, by the way. So if you're a beginner, stick around. If beginners are kids, or kids and up. So let's get started. Real simple, by the way. This is going to be one of the most simple tutorials on this channel. I say that occasionally. So I'm going to start with a bulb shape for the top of the flying saucer. Like a rainbow shape, kind of arc. Pulling up. Circle like an antenna. More or less a straight line. It's a little bit curved to show kind of the curvature of that area. It's gonna be like a bulb, right? It's gonna have curvature to it. So pulling down, maybe you can pull a little bit of an edge here for the lid, a little bit of an edge. Down a little bit here, down a little bit here. Pulling along the edge. Dot. I want to put a dot along the edge right here, like several dots along this little lid. Kind of to give it the kind of impression of technology, but like in a simplified format. Now I'm going to pull off from here, pull out into that saucer shape. I'm going to pull out over here to that saucer shape. Now I'm going to pull a curved line from one end to the other end. So kind of keep track of that so you can do it in one stroke. Pretty good. And then I'm going to pull a straight line down from that area. Not too far down, but down enough. And connect those lines as well. We're going to pull another line as well down here. Also connect that. And then a little bit at the bottom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull a line from the edges to the center point to make it look cylindrical. I'm going to throw a thick line over it to kind of even stuff out. The line is going to be thick enough to contain edges here, to contain the edges. And that's pretty much it. I hope that was easy to follow. It's extremely easy. The big part is that bulb section at the top. And you can just add whatever you want. You can even add like a little alien in there. Let's add a little alien, okay? Circle. Let's say, is that a circle around that circle? Dot in the middle of that, like it's his eyeball, his ear, his antennas, and then down. You can add whatever you want in the middle of that. Really easy. I really hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, very, very, very simple, and it's also very flexible. You can kind of change whatever you want around it. You just kind of want those tips. You want a bulb in the center, and again, that's kind of saucer shape coming outward, and you can do whatever you want on the bottom for the most part. Thank you guys. I do appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, press the subscribe button and click that notification, because I'm going to be posting a video every, like, I don't know, 3 times a day until Halloween. So kind of stay on it, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And share the video. Talk to you soon.